Alright, we're out here in Marblehead trying to catch some fish. It's a nice day, a little bit after, a couple hours after high tide. It's alright, got everything set up. Take a look in the water, see what's going on. Get out there. Alright, now we're getting in. Time to get going. Push. Gotta get out here. See what's in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out. This is my favorite type of paddle tail. And let's go ahead and start trolling a bit until we see where the fish are at. I think I spotted something down there. I'll try to get it to bite. Looks like another couple stripers down there. Awesome. We're on. This guy hammered it. We're on. This guy hammered it. Oh yeah, good fight. They're back. This is a good fight. Haha. Come on. Come on. I'll get you up here. Ready to take, ready to take another dive. Keep the pressure on you. Oh, that's a good size one. Come back. Come back. Oh, gotcha. Take a look at you. That's exactly what we're looking for. Right there. Nice big striper. Woo! Just nailed it. Let's go ahead and get a measurement here. We're at 23 and a half. Ooh, nice big fatty. Nice. Let's get some more. Haha. Like to see that. Alright. Alright, a few adjustments to the holder here, and I'll go ahead and get this back out. Take it this way a little bit. See if we can find them again. And the drag was set really well. At least for that size. I'm starting to spot maybe a few more. It's kind of crazy. Right about here is when the water drops from like 10 feet to 5 to 6. Definitely has little channels for the fish to hang out in. Just kind of search for prey. Let's let some more line out over there. Alright, so I've been paddling out for a while and it's just coming around, so I just better put it up. I think I'm okay. It seems like it's not gonna bite. Fish right off here, maybe one more pass, but I haven't seen too much right home about, right? Might have had to pass another one, but the tide has gone down a lot. Just got a little bit more, I guess. I'm gonna take this final pass probably. No bites are happening. It's probably past the time. Let's see. This pass over here, we're at 5 feet. Yeah, it's pretty shallow now.